Hi, Erin. I am going to give you some feedback on your portfolio. You've given yourself a letter grade of A, should go up here, and it seems that you've done really well on the things that you've done, but you did miss um, a significant activity, and that was Notebook LM. That was the Gen AI activity that you were supposed to do. So you spent your time on your project. It looks like I'm not sure. Uh, use Chappy link to project, and this looks. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. This isn't clear. Um, But one of the things that you didn't seem to do is use Notebook LM. And so you've done an activity, so it's really incomplete. Notebook LM is the tool you need to use in this activity specifically. And so you have to go to lesson one and do that. And if you did that, you'd probably get extra on your grade because you've done extra work. But in this case, the Gen AI activity is incomplete. Uh, this is an odd formatting thing. Is this meant for you to, oh, I see, to check things off? Um, the other thing here, I want to show you that um, you can take this link here and copy it, and then you can highlight the word project, right click on it, insert the link, and then press Control V. And then that's a much neater thing than one of these ugly links sitting there. In terms of the project, you haven't given me a reflection on this. It doesn't look like it. You have some sort of a link to a storybook that you created, um, and that's fine. Um, but the personal project's going to be something that's going to take 6 to 8 hours. It's going to be something that, I mean, that's kind of like a 1 week project. But I need sort of a description and the tool that you created, the AI tool. Maybe use the chatbot tool to help you do that. Um, so, and the idea is to have a sort of a bigger project. Look at these projects, have a title, have a description of the project, have a plan to complete the project. What you've done is sort of a one-off quick story that you've created, and you haven't done any reflection. Okay, so that's incomplete at this stage. Um, and then you've done a nice reflection here. Um, ChatGPT cannot be the resource that you're putting up simply because we've been using it in class. So that's not it is a useful resource, but you want to do something new, something else. We all know about ChatGPT. And now it looks like you might have something here that you're putting in this video here, Ultimate Canva AI Tutorial. So again, you're going to type Alt. So that's actually what I was looking for, Ultimate Canva AI Tutorial. I think that'd be really useful. But I do like to see the length of the video, and take this link, or I can just click on it if I want, copy it, highlight the words, right click, insert link, and done. And now we have a much neater link there, and it's easier to follow. So I think you have a case for making an A, but you're missing some key aspects. Using Notebook, having a reflection on your project, and actually having a much deeper project, because I don't know how much time you spent on this. I really don't know how. Yeah, so those are areas of improvement.